In the heart of Glencoe, where the wild winds roam, a camper van waits, far away from home. It hums through the Highlands, calm and serene, the California Ocean, a traveller's dream. With awning unfurled beneath storm-kissed skies, it shelters the soul where adventure lies. Inside, it's a haven, clever and neat, a table, a bed, and a pop-up retreat. The soft lights glow as the evening sets in, a warm little space where the wild days begin. I wander with lenses, a shutter in hand, catching the tale of this van in the land. It climbs and it coasts with power and grace, embracing the journey, not just the place. And when the day fades into lochside peace, its comforts provide a restful release. This isn't just travel, it's freedom on four, a road trip companion with stories in store. And now you can find it, no need to own. Just hire it from Clarkie's campers and make it your own.